morning, guys. My husband is showering right now, and I'm just waiting for him to be done so we can go out and have breakfast in this hotel. And then right after that, we're gonna check out because we will transfer to another hotel which is near the city. Because we wanted everything to be walking distance so we don't have to drive around or take a bus or everything, so it will be more convenient for us. But right now, let's just enjoy the view. See that? That's the view from our room. It's really nice and very relaxing. You can see the stocks. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. So this is their food for breakfast. Coffee and tea.
It's on here, but I like to have some.
The view. Later, this is so nice in here, don't know? But it's just a bit sad. We're just gonna stay for a day. See? Very nice view. There's a lot of people here having their yachts and their boats. We've just been done having breakfast. So right now we're gonna have a tour a little bit just to see. Oh, it's so nice. How much did you pay for this, Martin? Around
220, 240.
Yeah, 240 kroner. In Denmark, you're not gonna get any nice hotel for 240 kroner. I don't even think there's a hotel that's 240 kroner, but in here it's really nice. 240 kroner, and then you get all these nice views. You get free breakfast, and then see.
Maybe that's not.
Ay, relax muna. Relax. No, 10 minutes more. I'm still not ready to move. 10 minutes and then we go. Okay?
No more now.
No, now.
Really warm here.
Yeah, because you're moving around so much. Give me 10 minutes and then I'm ready to go. Okay? Oh, you're so sweet, my love. Bye-bye.